Welcome to Innovative Tech Tutor. In today's video, we'll be discussing how astronauts put on their space suits, step by step, and explore the incredible technology that keeps them safe during spacewalks. Astronauts put on their space suits, known as extravehicular mobility units (EMUs), in a specific sequence, as these suits are complex and provide life support for spacewalks. Here's how they do it. Undergarments. Astronauts first put on a special undergarment called the Liquid Cooling and Ventilation Garment (LCVG), which has tubes that circulate water to regulate their body temperature. Lower torso assembly. The astronaut steps into the pants-like part of the suit, which includes the lower torso and boots. Hard upper torso HUT. They then put on the hard upper torso section, which includes the life support systems. This part is like a rigid shell that fits over the chest and back. Arm assembly. The arms of the suit are attached next. They are designed to be pressurized but flexible enough for the astronaut to move their arms. Helmet and gloves. After securing the torso and arm components, the astronaut puts on a helmet and gloves. These are sealed tightly to keep the suit pressurized and provide protection. Life support and final checks. Finally, the astronaut connects the suit to the portable life support system (PLSS) on the back, which provides oxygen, removes carbon dioxide, and regulates temperature. After a series of checks, the suit is ready for spacewalks. It usually takes 30 to 45 minutes to put on the full suit, including all the safety checks. Thank you for watching Innovative Tech Tutor.